pull over, pull over, गाड़ी को साइड पे लगाना, रोड की साइड पे लगाना. To move a vehicle to the side of the road and stop. When you see a police car behind you with light flashing, it's important to pull over. Passed out, passed out, बेहोश हो जाना. To faint. Sentence. After standing in the hot sun for hours, she started to feel dizzy and eventually passed out. Leave out, leave out. कोई इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ को skip मत करना. To omit or exclude something or someone. Sentence. Don't leave out any details when telling a story. Fill up, fill up. पूरा भरना. To make something full. Sentence. Please fill up the water pitcher. Back up, back up. वापस लेना. Meaning to create a copy of your files or support someone. Sentence. It's a good idea to regularly back up your computer to avoid data loss. Dispose of, dispose of. किसी चीज़ को फेंक देना. To get rid of or throw away something. Sentence. Please dispose of your trash in the designated bin. Turn over, turn over. Meaning किसी चीज़ को पलटना. To rotate or flip something so that the other side of surface is facing up. Sentence. Please turn over the page to continue reading. Blacked out, blacked out. अपने हवास खो बैठना. To lose consciousness. Sentence. After getting a vaccination, I felt dizzy and almost blacked out. Sack out, sack out. Meaning सो जाना. To go to sleep or take a nap. Sentence. After a long day of playing, the children were ready to sack out early. Divvy up, divvy up. Meaning किसी चीज़ को तकसीम करना. To distribute or share something. Sentence. Let's divvy up the pizza slices. Hand in, hand in. हाथों हाथ कोई चीज़ किसी को देना. Meaning to submit or give something to someone in authority. Sentence. Please hand in your homework at the end of the class. Build up, build up. किसी चीज़ को मसलसल बेहतर करना, मजबूत बनाना. Sentence. Meaning to gradually create or increase something over time, making it stronger. Sentence. Regular exercise help build up physical strength and endurance. Hold off, hold off. Meaning किसी के साथ कॉल पे मोबाइल फ़ोन के ज़रिए राब्ता करना. To successfully contact or reach someone. Sentence. She tried to get a hold of the situation by staying calm and focused. Clutter up, clutter up. किसी अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड चीज़ को, बिखरी हुई चीज़ को समेटना. Meaning to organize that is disorganized. Sentence. I need to get a clutter up in my room before guests arrive. Crack up, crack up. बहुत ज़्यादा हंसना. Meaning to find something extremely funny and amusing. Sentence. When he told the joke, Everyone in the room got a crack up.